In William D. Mounce's accessible guide, Greek for the Rest of Us, the renowned biblical Greek scholar offers a practical crash course in the essentials of New Testament Greek for laypeople, pastors, and students who lack the time for full seminary-level mastery. Designed to empower deeper Bible study without years of rigorous grammar drills, the book teaches foundational skills like reading the Greek alphabet, pronouncing words, understanding basic noun and verb systems, and conducting informed word studies using interlinear and software tools. Readers learn to discuss why Bible translators and translations differ, engage more fruitfully with commentaries, and uncover richer nuances in Scripture. Review. While having read other works by Mounce and enjoyed his methodological and well-paced walkthrough of biblical languages with an audience who understood the need to take care of the subject, I had some good confidence that this book would match his previous books. This is the case here. If you've read or gone through Mounce's probably more well-known book on the subject, Basics of Biblical Greek Grammar, this is going to be familiar in the same vein. Where that book is one focused on the grammar, Greek for the Rest of Us is a focus on grammar as well as the syntax. Just as a note, I did read this in conjunction with a weekly church study that was using the book along with class activity and the use of Logos software to give the understanding of Greek in a more than surface level understanding, and utilizing the Bible software to do a good amount of work for you as well. So, individual results may vary. Mounce starts off with the basics such as letters and Greek words to memorize and are at the end of most chapters. Then the push to understand English grammar that will help the readers of non-native Greek understand the concepts of what will be talked about throughout the book happen. So this study suddenly becomes a chest-clenching double study as you curse the government schools that failed to impress upon you your own language. Where Mounce's previous book had a chapter dedicated to that, this book almost has introduction chapters of English language to set the stage for the Greek of the same type. Mounce also sprinkles in concordance software, as he is the controlling interest in that software, but the use of some type of Bible software capable of assisting with learning is very helpful, like Logos. The layout in the chapters are methodical and well laid out. The use of sub-numbering systems make going back through easier for reference. This section also does a good job of showing biblical examples, and here's where I would say is the negative of the book. While an example is given, it is usually a simple one, and a few more examples showing different appearances of the syntax in question would have been really helpful to almost triangulate you into what you may be missing or helping find a relationship between the examples and your understanding of the section. Think about like your time with physics or science and different math levels. It is helpful to have more than just one problem worked out for you. If you have two or three, it can really hone in the concept a bit more. Here and there are grammar and syntax and concepts that need to be looked up even if you don't understand it, and some circling back to previous points or definitions would have been helpful. This isn't a book you'll be able to read passively to be good overall. Going through examples and making this a study will be the most beneficial use of this resource and your time. Having the benefits of struggling with a group and being dedicated was a huge benefit to me. I also had the benefit of a teacher who was far enough along in seminary and knew Greek well enough to develop the curriculum around the use of the book. So the recommendation, the grade, should be understood in light of that interaction with the book. Final grade, B.